We come to you from one of these slum areas in Mehrauli, right at the time when the government is taking up the issue of Swachh Bharat. The Prime Minister is almost mentioning it in every speech. And while all the photo ops are going about of the ministers in their various departments doing the cleanliness drive, it's here, right, the dark underbelly of the national capital that needs to be and remains to be the major area of concern. मुझे ये बताइए, I'm also joined by an NGO person here. आप यहाँ पर बता रहे थे इसका solution क्या है, immediate solution क्या हो सकता है?
अभी तक जो 68 साल के इतिहास में स्वच्छता सरकार का मुद्दा था, पिछले 5-6 महीने से लगा है कि ये मुद्दा अब समुदाय का बनेगा और जब तक ये मुद्दा समुदाय का नहीं बनेगा, भारत को खुले में शौच से मुक्ति सोचना भी बेईमानी होगी।
Also joined by Kiran Bedi here, also representatives from our partners. Ma'am, you have seen all around this, and this has remained in Delhi for a very, very long time. Immediately, one thing which you can perhaps tell these people to come up with a solution with.
India's resources have fallen far below our explosion in population. Unfortunately, we never made that into a proper campaign, making people realize that resources are limited. But if you continue to produce people, where will you get more and more toilets? Water, everything's scarce. But if children keep getting produced, what do? Unfortunately, last 60 years, we never reached out properly through a proper education campaign that every time you give birth to a child, child means a school, child means toilet, child means food, child means everything, water.
And the basis
and water is
of
scarce.
Cleanliness also. I want to very quickly come to you. What was the need exactly, at a time when everybody's talking about it, what was the need to come up with a campaign like this?
I think everyone's talking about it now, but it's been an issue for a really long time. And I think the fundamental issue really is habit change, right? So of course there's the issue of the scarcity of resources, but if people don't realize that they must practice good hygiene, we're not really going to get anywhere. So we have 4 elements to the program. One is behavior change, right? The other is actually taking the message far and wide through partners like yourself. The other is creating the infrastructure on the ground. So, it'll not happen unless we actually put a toilet in place, we put hand washing facilities in place.